Two beauty pageants, Marvin Kharsono and Gargi Nandi, have been shortlisted as finalists for Meghalaya to compete in the Talentica Mr. India International 2020 pageant and Miss India Global 2020 organized by Talentica on the 12th to 15th of this month at Goa. This duo are ready to showcase the rich culture, heritage, and traditions of the people of the state and the mesmerizing panoramic beauty of the lush green mountains and the magnificent waterfalls which has drawn lots of tourists over the years. Speaking at the press conference at Shillong Club, the Zonal Director East of Talentica, Rab Borling Domoplang, said that he will be sending two representatives, one male and one female, to represent the state at the glamorous fashion show extravaganza.
Till the 15th, which will be held in Goa, after which we will be starting with Miss India International, with Miss India Global, Talentica Miss India Global, which again will be held in Goa from the 18th of December to the 23rd of December. And during this process, I've come across many contestants who have come along, given their interviews with me over online. So the selection of process is very simple. They send us their photos, their introduction, and then we make a call with them. And after the first selection is done, then they go through a second audition, which is face-to-face. But since due to the pandemic, we did it online through a vote and through Zoom calls. And during this process, I've selected two wonderful contestants who are sitting right beside me. One is Marvin Kharsono and the other is Nandita Day. Gargi Day, sorry. So she would be representing, both of them would be representing Meghalaya in this prestigious event. The winners of this prestigious event gets to go and represent India at an international level. So I wish both of them the best of luck. Of course, there are other contestants that I've selected from the other states as well, but these two are from Meghalaya, so I thought I should do a press release for both. So it's a surprise, I cannot let you out, but one of the prestigious, so what we have decided is the top three, one will go into South Asian countries pageant, the international pageant which will be held in South Asian countries, second will be in Europe, and the third will be in America. And during this process, let me also tell you that these contestants, whoever is selected, are selected on the basis of their work, their capabilities, their desire, their compassion to win the crown. And also they also have to work for a social cause. So based on these social causes that they have been doing, that have been associated themselves, we check their works and then only we take a final call and selecting these contestants. And they have associated themselves with Marjorie Noreen Denai. Her foundation is known as Gracious Givers Foundation, and we've got in touch with Noreen, and that's when we decided that we will collaborate soon. Being the first, so she said she would like to see first what is this foundation is. What this pageant is all about, and then we're already on the verge of signing the contract with her for future references as well.
So, there are two of them have come to me, who has initiated to come to meet me, to collaborate with them. So, seeing them, having their passion and their desire, their sincerity with the work, so I have decided, yes, I would love to take part and to inspire our youth to go forward. Because my foundation, I have the faith and belief. My foundation is a belief of humanity and the act of kindness. So this I have tried to reach to different sections of society, and during the pandemic I have tried to visit various places of Shillong and the outskirts of Shillong, interacting with different individual families who have been losing their daily wages because of the pandemic especially, and also to the real genuine people, individual who are in need of the help.